Hello people! So, I had something really cool happen. First, another one of my desktops got sold to someone here where I live, and I made 60 bucks. Yes! That means I could buy some bits. But you're probably thinking, but Tim, your parts are so expensive. How are you going to afford them with $60? Well, the guy that I was buying the stuff off Trade Me doesn't have any way of knowing how the ISKs work, because the instructions are in Chinese. So where are they? Hear that? They're in Chinese. And it's actually Chinese. I don't just mean that it looks like Chinese. It's actually Chinese. I checked with my phone translated it for me. It's in Chinese. So I wrote a manual for it in English and sent it to the guy, because then you can sell ISKs with a manual. It's not like 100% foolproof. It's probably got some mistakes in there, but it works. And I tested it, and it is correct, and my phone helped me translate everything. And the guy's like, oh, cheers, man. If you want to buy any more bits, I'll make you a good deal. So I was like, really? I want 3 more motors, 3 more propellers, and 3 ISKs. What can you offer me? And I was like, normally that up to 160 bucks. But now that I've got instructions for the ISK, I'll actually be able to sell more of them, and people will be interested because I can give them a manual in English. So, how does $100 sound? So, look! I've got all the bits. I've all mounted them on now. I didn't record any of the bits because all I was lots of cable changing and just reattaching lots of stuff. And yeah, currently I'm writing the code. So hopefully tomorrow I will be able to show a functional video of the quadcopter taking off. Okay, no, not taking off. What's the word I want? Powering up all the motors and just with gradual increments and whatnot. I found a charger for the battery. So if you come over here, this is my messy room, by the way. Hey, I got this charger over here. See, Turnigy charger, but I didn't have a plug to charge it with. But that amazing router has exactly the plug I want, so I managed to charge my battery last night. And that injury there was my finger getting stuck in the propeller. That hurt. So yeah, now I've got to write the code for the quadcopter. I'm so glad I got that deal for those bits. That was just amazing. Though I had to go pick him up. That was the other condition. I had to pick him up in person, had to pay him in cash. But that wasn't an issue because I could do that. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying it. What else have happened? Not much else. I've got the gyro ordered and a radio. What's it called? An Arduino. I think it's an Arduino Micro, just like this big, which I want to use with some wireless transceivers to be able to control the robot by either telling it to start up or stop or land, just so I've got a little bit of control, because as I found out by putting my finger in the propeller, it is lethal, and it really hurt. It starts, showing this finger because some people get grossed out by injuries. It starts about there, middle of my finger, and it comes all the way back up to the end of my nail, and it's a straight line. It's a big flappy bit, but it's all attached now, and it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. I can feel, so it's alright. It's, for those that know me, it's the same finger I got my finger stuck in the door with. So that's just going to make a lovely cross scar there. But yeah, no, everything's going really well. I've got the gyro coming, I've got the... Oh, okay. I've got a gyro... Actually, I'll find out what I've got coming. Because my computer sits behind you guys, you can't quite see it. See? So, I ordered... Oh wait, it's not coming in. It's been special. We'll go to Trade Me. So, for those that don't know, I live in New Zealand. I buy all my stuff off Trade Me because Trade Me is awesome. Sorry, just logging in Trade Me. What have I won? I won... Okay. I got a wireless 433 MHz link kit. So it's a unidirectional signal, which will act just like a wire, so I can send from A to be. So from the mini, which is what I want to make a wrist-mounted controller, to the mega, I got the ping sensor, which is an ultrasonic module which can measure height, which is going to be at the bottom, pointing down, so that the robot can know what height it's at. I bought a compass module because that's just kind of cool. And it cost me like $1. I got a gyro plus 3-axis accelerometer module, so that's the gyro and accelerometer that's going to go in the quadcopter, which will be able to measure rotation of all kind. And then I have to write the code. I bought a mini digital voltmeter because I need to see how much battery is in that, how much charge left in the battery whenever I'm about to do something. And then I got the Arduino Pro Micro 80 Mega 32U4 compatible. So it's not original Arduino, but it has USB. Let's see if I can show you. Yep, here we go. It's just a miniature Arduino with USB. 32 kilobytes of memory, just the usual shebang. So yeah, that is what I have been doing. That is what I've done. Today I'm going to spend all day writing code. I'll probably record a video in the morning. And yeah, fly on, guys!